Crafting is so much fun. It makes everyone happy. You can make beautiful things with your own hands. Today we learn paper flowers. They are bright and lovely. They bring smiles to faces. Let's start this joyful craft. Paper flowers are truly special. They look like real flowers, but they last much longer. You can choose any color, bright pinks or soft blues. They do not need any water. Always fresh, always pretty. A lovely home decoration. Making things feels very good. It is a calm activity. You can relax your mind and be super creative. Watch paper turn into blooms. It is like a little magic. You will feel so proud of your wonderful creations. Why choose these paper blooms? Real flowers fade too fast. Paper flowers stay bright for many weeks, even years. They hold happy memories. You can make many kinds for every special day. Let's make some beauty now. You need just simple tools. Colorful paper is the star. Scissors help you cut shapes. Glue holds it all together. A pencil can draw lines. These are easy to find. You might have them now. Let's get them all ready. What paper is the best? Crepe paper is wonderful. It stretches like real petals. Cardstock paper is strong. Good for sturdy flower shapes. Construction paper is fun. Great for kids learning crafts. Try different paper types. Find supplies at craft stores. They have so many colors. Paper, scissors, and good glue. Look in the paper section. Online shops sell them too. Delivered right to your door. Even big shops have some. It's easy to get started. Other tools can be helpful. A ruler measures things well. Wire makes great flower stems. Green floral tape hides wire. It makes stems look real. A bone folder makes folds. But simple tools are fine. Start simple, then add more. Let's make a basic flower. This first flower is easy. It will look very pretty. We can make a daisy or a colorful pom-pom. Choose your favorite paper color. Get scissors and glue now. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Cut flower petals. Take your pretty colored paper. Fold it up a few times. This cuts many petals fast. Draw a simple petal shape like a long, smooth oval. Cut carefully on the line. You now have many petals. Step 2. Make flower center. Now for the middle part. Use yellow or brown paper. Cut a small paper circle or cut a thin strip. Fringe one edge with cuts. Roll it up nice and tight. Glue the end to hold. Step 3. Put it together. Take your little flower center. Glue petals all around it. Add one petal at a time. Overlap them just a bit. Keep going all the way until your flower is full. Your first flower is done. Make your flowers special. Use your favorite color mix. Bright colors make you smile. Soft colors feel so calm. Add a little bit of glitter for some extra pretty sparkle, or paint tiny dots on petals. Be creative, have lots of fun. Tips for the perfect flowers. Practice helps make them best. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Each new flower gets better. Use scissors that are sharp. Good glue is important too. Take your time, enjoy it. You will be a pro soon. Use flowers for many things. Decorate your lovely home. Put them in a pretty vase. Make a beautiful wall art. They are wonderful as gifts. For birthdays or special days, friends will love handmade gifts, perfect for happy parties. Handmade crafts are so valuable. Making things brings such joy to you and to others. Paper flowers are quite simple, a way to add beauty to your life and home. Keep crafting, keep